Hey everybody, wanted to make this quick video because I just picked up this metal planetary ring roller from Harbor Freight. I used my Labor Day 20% off coupon, and I just wanted to really reiterate something here. When you get these things, you really need to clean them, and here's the reason why. So I was taking this apart because I wanted to make sure there wasn't any grit in there, and I wanted to make sure that it was ready for me to grease these grease fittings here. Something else I just realized, this one isn't even screwed in all the way. But when I opened up this one, the entire roller, and there is the hole that's supposed to grease what passes for a bearing. That sleeve is just a copper sleeve bearing. You're supposed to get that full of grease. The entire thing is plugged with, I don't even know what that is. I don't know if it's a polishing compound or whatever it is, but there's no way grease is getting through that. So clean these up as best you can. Take them apart entirely before you even start to use them. All right, I really had to get a shot of this because this is the stuff that I'm pulling out of this ring roller. I just have a drill bit, I just have a drill in here just to get in there and get it out of there. This is all the shit that plugged that up. Look at that. I'm gonna have to take a wire brush, like a brass brush in there, and get to that. So that should be, I don't even think I'm to the hole yet where the grease is supposed to come out. Yeah, I'll probably edit that video to add this back in. So two of the rollers are more or less fine. I mean, they're dirty. There's stuff in there I have to clean out, but this one was just awful. It's just entirely plugged all the way to the end of the grease fitting. I was poking around in it, and I was trying to feel whether or not it was gritty at all. And watch this. I grab a magnet off my bench, and I already know what it's going to do because I already stuck myself once. That is all chunks of what I can assume must be a fairly, that's a fairly hard steel probably. It's probably not just straight mild steel, and that was going to wind up inside this copper bearing. I mean, really, it's kind of unbelievable, but I guess kind of not.